Hello everyone, this is Venu, and in this session I'm going to teach about regarding MCQs on C language. So the first question is, what is the output of the following code? The question is this: what is the output of the following code? So here A is 10 and B is minus 2, and find out A ampersand B. So see here, ampersand is the bitwise operator. So generally, how the bitwise AND will work here? So once if you know the truth table of bitwise operator, basically the bitwise is like A and B another input, then A and B. I'm writing here. First the bits are like 0, 0. If the bits are 0, 0, then A and B will become 0. And 0 and 1, it is also 0. And 1, 0, and it is also 0. And 1, 1, 1. That's all. So when inputs both the two are inputs 1, output will be 1, and remaining case the output will be 0 here. Okay. But see, these 10 and minus 2 are numbers, decimal numbers, but AND is bitwise operator. Then how we get these values again? Decimal number means internally we should it is converted into some binary number, and after then applying AND operation between these two numbers, then you will get the output. Let us see first. So if I am giving 10 means what? So I have to represent into some 8-bit representation. So that is why it will become 401010. Okay. So basically the plus 10 indicates this MSB bit is 0 and remaining it's is the magnitude. Okay. The sign for positive number, its MSB bit 0, it will be the positive sign. If it is negative means the MSB bit will be minus. MSB bit will be 1. Okay, for 10 it is no problem, no issues with this. And what about minus 2? Okay, generally if number is 2, suppose if number is 2 means, so we can represent that into like 4 zeros, 0 0 1 0. Okay, but number is minus 2 means, if number is minus 2 means, so the MSB bit is 1 and remaining are this. So MSB bit, these are first 4 bits, extra 1 bit is came here otherwise. So I'm taking here minus 2, 1, 4 zeros, and remaining 0 0 1 0. This is okay, this is minus 2. So now this represents here sign. So if I'm using here minus means minus indicates the MSB bit is 1 and remaining is the magnitude. But see, always negative numbers are represented in 2's complement form. So that is why what we have to do here. So after getting this number, I have to convert into 1's complement form. 1's complement means you can keep the digit as it is, the MSB bit, and remaining changes zeros into ones. 1 1 0 1. Okay. And to get the 2's complement number here, add 1, and now it will be here. Now 1 plus 1, it is 0. Again 1. 0 plus 1 1, and the number remaining is. So finally the equivalent value of minus 2 is 4 ones 1 1 and again 1 0. That's, so it will be 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 plus 1 1 0, 0 and 1 will come, and 0 plus 1 1, and remaining this. So it is equivalent to minus 2. Now here we have to apply the AND operation between these two numbers here. So how to apply the AND operation here? Finally we have the digits here, 4 zeros 1 0 1 0. It is the equivalent binary number of 10, and ones 4 ones, after 4 ones here, 1 1 1 0. This is the equivalence of minus 2. Now Now apply the AND operation. 0 and 0. 0 and 0 is 0. 1 and 1, 1. 0 and 0, 0. 1 and 1, 1. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. So finally, the answer is what? So finally, the answer is 1010 here. 1010 is nothing but it is equivalent to decimal number. So answer is D. So answer is D. Okay, minus 2. The options are minus 2, minus 6, 8. So the equivalent decimal number of 1010 is again 10. Okay, this is the first one. So coming to the next question. The next question is this: if x is 7 and y is 3 and z is 2, and what is the value of p? So what is the value of p means for first here we are using here increment operator. Always increment operators are evaluated from right to left. So first plus z means it is incremented already pre-increment. So 2 is incremented by 3, and minus y, it will be 2. X is it's supposed to means just you have to substitute it, the value 7 only. So now 7 plus 2, okay, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3 12. So B is the answer. So B is the answer. Just we are printing only P. We are printing only P. So that is why answer is 12. So B is the answer. So coming to the next question. So what is the output of the following here? See, I am giving x is x minus 100 and y minus equal to 100. So in this case here, so generally x minus equal to 100 means 100 minus 100 means it is 0. 0 means it represents false here. 0 represents false. So the specialty case in the case of logical AND, when the first condition is false, even the next one, the next expression, even though it is true or false, it can assume the overall result is false. It can assume overall result is false. So that is why if it is false means else block is executed. Else block means what? Only x is modified here, y is not modified. Y is, so generally when people they assume that like 200 minus 100 100 and x and y both two can be modified, they assume, but wrong. See, even though for the first condition is 0, then immediately the condition will be okay, false. So if this expression is false means then right one will be also overall, even though it is true or false, the overall expression will be false. Now false means else block is executed. Else block means what? X is modifying to 0 and y is as it is. So x is 0, yes, y is 200, yes. So answer is so in this question the answer is A. The answer is A. Most of the people they are confused like that, they assume that it is 0 and y is 100, 0 and 100, so false and true, false then else block is executed, but the thing is that y is not modified. Okay, y is not the specialty. The special case in mm, this and truth table is, first I am writing, so even first one is false or false, overall result is false. True, the first one is false and the second is true, overall results is false. This is the special case. Okay, so false, false, you will get false. So now if first expression is false, irrespective of this second one, the overall assumption is false. So that is why basically in C language 0 represents false, 0 represents false, 1 represents true, 1 represents true here. So that is why 0 is false. Okay, false and remaining here false and of anything will be overall false. False means else block is executed, that's all. Else back is, so it will print x and y value. Okay, so it will print x is 0 and y is 200. Y is not modified, that is why the output is that. Okay, so like this here, like this, in the place of find, suppose in the place of find, okay, anyway, I will give, suppose in the place of find, if I am giving r, and if I am choosing here 200, if x is 200 means, what is the expected output in this case here? In this case, 100 minus 100. 200 minus 100 means 100. 100 is if first expression is true. If first is true means second is it won't verify in the case of logical OR. So that is why. So in this case, 100 200 will come. Also in this case, 100 and 200 will come. So if you change the question, like changing AND with OR means what? So in this case, so if x will be 100, if x is 200 means 200 minus 100, 200 minus 100, 100. 100 means every non-zero is true, every zero is false, every non-zero is true. Now true, first one is true and second is false, and second is, so it may be anything. If we don't want it is true or false, we don't want here. If first one is true, the overall expression is true. If overall expression is true means this statement is executed. So that is why x is modified here, x is 100 and y is not modified, x is 100 and y is not modified. So that is a special case. Okay, anyway, otherwise later you can verify. mm, Later you can verify. So for this case here, the answer is, the answer is this, answer is true. And otherwise, if you want to verify we are getting correct answer or not, so I'm showing the proof also. So I'm taking this here and build the code. Next, build and run. See what I'm getting here, x is 100 and y is 200. Y is 200. So here it is 100 minus 100 is 0. 0 means false. False and of anything overall it is false. False means the else block is executed. That's all. Else block is here, x is modified, y is not modified. And suppose if I am using here r, and if I am giving 200, if I am giving 200 means what? First 200 minus 100. 200 minus 100 means true. 200 minus 100 is true. True, and if first expression is true, remaining it is true or false, we don't bother about that. If it is true means only over, it can assume that overall it is true, then true block is executed. Then x is modified, y is not modified. So in this case you will get 100 and 200. Let us verify. So now 100 and 200. Okay, so this is the example of this logical or. Okay, see in the case of logical OR, if first expression is true, it won't verify the second one. Or assuming overall expression is true, that is why true block is executed. That is why true block is executed. Okay. Then coming to the next question. So coming to the next question, the next question is this. So I'm giving as define x 5 plus 2. This is called your macro. Macro means the macros are the statement which is used to record the constant values here. So that means this is not expanded yet, this should be substituted wherever x is there, at that place 5 plus 2 is substituted. So that is why if I'm substituting here 5 plus 2 means, then I value will become what? 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 2. Then it is simplified here. First 2 into 5 are, according to the BODMAS rule here, 2 5 is 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 2, 27. So answer is 27. But don't write 5 plus 2, 7, 7 into 7, 7 to 9, 9, 7, 7 to 49, 49, 7 to 340. This is wrong. So macro means it's substituted here. The x value is substituted, not evaluated, simplified here. So just replace wherever x is there, in the place 5 plus 2 is substituted, and after then we can simplify this expression according to the BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS rule. Okay. The next question. Okay, third and fourth one is finished. So what is the answer here? Answer is 27. And now coming to the next question. So in this question, the printf percentage the printf C is a C. So basically how this is executed, or it will give any error, it is executed. So in this case, first printf percentage the printf means it will execute this statement. That means C is a C printed. Okay. But what is the question here? After execution of the code, what is the value after the C is a C? So it is C is a C after this. So generally printf will return the number of characters. Okay, it has to be printed here. So how many number of characters it is printed here? One, space is also count, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 spaces, 8 characters it is printed. So that value the printf is written. So that is why now this value, after printing a C is C, after displaying the C is a C, it will return the value 8, and so output is C is a C 8. You will get C 8. Okay. So what is the need here? Just we have to display the value after C is a C, that is 8. So here printf will return the number of characters that has to be printed here. How many number of character it has to printed here? It is 8, including the space. So that is why its return type is 8. So answer is 8. Okay. And coming to this here, it is left shift operator. Left shift operator, and we have one formula is also there. So suppose I am taking a number A and we are shifting the B bits onto the left side, and then the value will become like this: A into 2 to the power of B. The formula is like this: A into 2 to the power of B. A means 10, it will be 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 means 10 into 16, it will be 160. Okay, it is 160. So answer is 160. Directly formula is there. By using that we can find out, and no need to do any analysis here. Directly by using this formula we can find out. Okay. The next question. So coming to here, assume the size of integer is 4 bytes. So print a percentage the size of single code A. So most of the people they are confused to tell this answer here. Actually size of literal we are using. So literal means it is replaced with its ASCII value. ASCII value is 97. So 97 it is integer type. So that is why the size of again integer will be 4 bytes. So that is why the first value will be 4. Okay. And next, and the printf percentage the size of 12.78. So 12.78 means by default if you take any decimal value in C language, by default it is double type, not float type, not float type. So if it is double type means what is the size of double? 8. So that is why answer is 48. So if I am writing suppose like 12.8, 12.78 f, then it is float. Then it is float means what? 4 bytes. Okay, answer is 4. But see if I am using only 12.78, so that is why, you will get answer 48. Here I am taking it is the literal. Okay, so it is literal. Okay, A is the literal. So if I am taking a declaration like a variable, no, so the size of character will be 1 byte, no problem. But here it is replaced with its ASCII value, so that is why ASCIIs are integer type. So size of integer is 4. By default, all the decimal values are double type, so that is why answer is 48. Answer is this. Okay. And next, what is the default return type of main? Default return type of main is integer. So why? Because okay, generally main is what? It is a function. So function can provide the feature of reusability. Function can provide the function can provide the feature of reusability. Function should be provide the feature of what? Reusability. So that is why. So that is why. So the default return type of any main function or any user defined function is integer only. So to achieve reusability means what? Its return type should be some integer or anything, any variable, but default type is int. The next question. So coming to the next question here, it is COVID-19 and backslash b 0 backslash r v I is there. So we have escape sequences called here backslash r and backslash b and backslash n. Backslash n is new line and backslash r is the carriage return. So backslash b is backspace. So here backslash b means what? Just it is remove this character 9 and add this 0 to after the 1. So 1 0 will come. And what is backslash r means what? After the backslash r, if there are two characters are it, and these two characters are replaced with the starting one. So after backslash one character means that character is replaced with the starting first character. So after backslash r, there are two characters means these two characters are replaced with the starting one. And after backslash only one means the one character is replaced with the starting one. So because of this here, so now here vi is replaced with this. So already 9 is removed. Okay, with this backslash b and 0 is added, and this co is replaced with vi. So that is why v with 1 0. Where is v with 1 0? This is the answer. So backslash r is carriage return here. Carriage return means it's replaced with the starting character. So after backslash r, there are two characters means two characters are replaced. After backslash r, one means one character is replaced. Backslash b means what? It's remove the preceding character. It's remove the preceding character. Okay, like backspace in your keyboard. Okay, and after this, the last question. The last question is int auto percentage 05 auto here. See, by seeing this, most of the people they are assuming that so printf percentage 05d means they are assuming okay, generally percentage 5d means what? It is uses some five spaces. So if I am writing percentage 05d means what? 5d, the number will be basically number is 125 means so alignment is from right side onwards 125 and two spaces will come. But if I am writing percentage 05d means first two zeros and remaining 125. Okay. But if it is variable, but see in this case here I am taking the variable name as auto. So never used a variable name as keyword. So that is the mistake here. So that is why you will get a error in this program. You will get error. Okay. So actually D is the so D is the answer. So so D is the answer here. Error. Most of the people they think like this here. They think like so first spaces and 1 to 5 and replace these two with what zeros here, two zeros. So basically percentage 5d means what? It can allocate the 5 spaces and 5d means what? So first 5 spaces are allocated and the wherever empty space is there at that place here zeros are allocated. So that represents percentage 0 5. Okay, so but anyway, here I'm using the variable name as keyword. Variable name is key. Auto is the keyword used in C language. Never use the keyword as variable name. So that is why you will get compile error. You will get answer is D. So it is wrong. It is correct if we changing this auto as some other variable A like this, and if I am changing A, then it is correct. But if I am taking auto means answer is error. Okay. So finally, I'm providing all the answers here. Okay, I'm providing all the answers. These are all the answers here. Okay. And do you have any queries regarding the CMCQs here? Please message to me, and I will be available on phone number and this mail ID. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.